Hi everyone, it's Brandy with My Creative Scrapbook, and today I am creating a new layout with the gorgeous July kit. It features a lot of Vicky Bouton in this kit, and I believe the line is called Cut and Paste, and it's so precious. I wanted to do this video because we also get this adorable stencil in the kit, but it's hard to tell just from the photographs where I have actually used this stencil. But I decided that I just wanted to use one of the flowers in the stencil. I will be in the future creating backgrounds and other layouts with this one, but I wanted to fill in just a little bit more of this wreath, and I thought this stencil was perfect for that. It kind of just adds a few more scattered bits and pieces, and it pulls that blue color around the wreath a little bit more. Now I'm using Distress Oxide and Prize Ribbon for this, and the colors blend amazingly well with the colors in this paper. I also went ahead and backed this cut file that comes in the kit off camera because I don't particularly enjoy watching people back cut files. So I don't want to subject you guys to that, but if you will look carefully, there are a couple of places on this cut file in the H and the E that I forgot to cut out. And I didn't realize it until I had the entire layout completed. And at that point, it was just too late. So I just decided to go with it. I just ignore those little pieces as best I can and move on because I still do really enjoy this layout. I do want to mention that this photo is of my mother and my youngest grandson. It's her first time or first weekend meeting him, and she was just getting some snuggles, and I think this photo is absolutely precious. I treasure it, and I wanted to be sure to get it on a layout. So I'm going to leave you guys with a little bit of music while I complete the rest of this layout.